Okay, this is how to find absolute value on a ti-83, 84 calculator. Let's say you're given a function and they want you to plug in a -4. Remember, if f of x is equal to absolute value of x minus 9, then f of -4 is equal to -4 minus 9. So let's say you're given bigger numbers or not sure how to do this. You can use your calculator. Go to math and then go to number, right click over to number, and you have absolute value. And what you'll do is you'll put in a negative 4 for your absolute value. Right click over, minus 9, enter, and that'll give you a value of -5. Now one thing you could have realized is, okay, absolute value of -4 is 4, and then 4 minus 9 is equal to -5. But this is a way where you can actually find absolute value on a ti-83, 84 calculator. Don't forget too, also, if you're given a 3x to the third, f of x is equal to 3x to the third, and it asks you what is f of 3, and you want to put in 3 to the third power. That's 3 parentheses. Just use your up arrow, your caret, to put a 3, or you could put a 3, a 4, whatever power you want to put, and that'll actually give you an 81 there, just as an added note.